Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice toner at home for glowing skin. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of rice and 2 cups of filtered water. Opt for organic rice, either white or brown, to ensure purity. This simple, natural toner can significantly enhance your skin's radiance and provide deep hydration. It's an easy and cost-effective way to boost your skincare routine. Now, let's prepare the rice water. Begin by rinsing your chosen rice under cold, running water. Continue rinsing until the water appears clear, removing any impurities. Next, place the clean rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of filtered water. Allow the rice to soak for a minimum of 30 minutes or for up to 2 hours to extract its beneficial properties. After soaking, it's time to strain your rice water. Carefully pour the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean, airtight spray bottle or container. You can then discard the soaked rice, as its beneficial compounds are now in the water. Store your freshly made rice toner in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and potency for up to 7 days. To use your new rice toner, simply apply it to your clean face. You can either mist it directly onto your skin or use a cotton pad for application. Incorporate this step into your routine twice daily, both morning and evening, right after cleansing. Consistent use can lead to brighter skin, minimized pores, and a noticeably smoother, more radiant complexion. Enjoy your glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.